Hello everyone, welcome to SEO Guy. In this video, we will discuss about how do you do SEO for florists. Everyone knows that online marketing is essential for your business to set up and to get new clients and to run your business. But yet you have to make sure that is your business appearing to those who are searching for your services. That's called SEO. In this video, we'll discuss about detailed guide on how to do SEO for florists. If we talk about floral industry, it's a very huge industry in United States. There are 21,000 florists in United States and generating $35 billion every year. So it is a big industry. But yet we see a lot of startups find it hard to get new customers. How do you solve this? But in order to let our floral industry clients know that how to do SEO, we have to make sure that they know about SEO. So what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. It's a practice that can help your website or profile to appear in front of those who are searching for your services. In result, you get more customers, leads, and revenue. If we talk about types of SEO, there are two types of SEO. One is local and other is national. What is local SEO? Local SEO is our SEO which can help your local customers to check on you and can find you through their search query. Let's say you are in New York and someone searches for your help. Your business will appear in front of them through SEO and they will quickly call you or you hire you to get your help. This way you get more customers and revenue. If we talk about national SEO, let's say you write an article on decoration, but you see that someone is searching about decoration from California. Now New York is in east and California is in west. There's a lot of difference, a lot of distance, but yet they find your article helpful and they call you and hire you. This way national SEO can help you. So if we talk about why SEO is important for your business, yeah, like floral industry, we have to make sure that we know its pros and cons. So there are no cons. In fact, it can help you lifetime to get more customers and lead generation. Because if you do a perfect SEO, you can get lifetime clients and you can get lifetime lead generation for free. If you don't know how to do this, we'll guide you. But still you can hire me for doing SEO for your business. There are some myths about SEO. One of them is that SEO is dead. It's not true. SEO market is very high and is very profitable. Additionally, some people say that AI will replace SEO, but that's not true because Google is penalizing all the websites that using AI to generate content or to do SEO. And in result, thousands and lakhs of websites lose their ranking in Google. So SEO is not dead. So let's dive in and check how can we do SEO for your floral business. Follow these details that I'm going to share with you. Now let's start step-by-step guide for SEO for florists. First thing is keyword research. There are two different ways to do keyword research. One is free and the other is paid. If we talk about free, you have to go to the Google and search your category. In this case, florists or flower shops near me. It will show you all the Google My Business profiles and websites that are near you and are ranking for that specific keyword. You have to open those websites and Google My Business profiles and check out what they have mentioned in regarding your industry in different words or synonyms. For example, the synonym of florist is flower, and then decoration, and then other words that can be relevant or similar to your niche. You have to write those down and embed inside your website and Google My Business profile. The paid method is also very simple. You have to go to SEMrush or Ubersuggest or some other keyword research tool and write florist or flower shop there. It can get you all the keywords that are relevant to your industry and the questions and the long tail keywords and short tail keywords. You can write the important ones and embed inside your website and Google My Business profile, and by optimizing it, you can rank higher on Google. But in short, we see all the businesses have brand plus keyword. For example, XYZ brand in New York City or XYZ brand in California. So there are different ways you can optimize your title or your business name, but in short, all have some keywords like near me or city name. Plus, brand will help them to recognize you. For example, if they go out and search for your office or shop, they won't find it because you have written just city name. They will find you because you have told them your brand name. For example, XYZ. XYZ Flowers. In this way, XYZ Flowers is your brand name and shop name, and city name is your location. So you have to make sure that your brand should be there so people can recognize you. And then keyword so that people can see your search results. Second is do competitive research. As I have told earlier, that go to Google and search for the industry that you are currently in. It will help you to locate all the websites and Google My Business profiles that are ranking in your city. And you can get all the details about keywords and other stuff. In this way, you can grow your business. Another thing is that you may find some services that are not offered by you so far. You can list those services, work on them, and offer them some additional with some additional benefits. For example, if someone is offering free consultation, you can help them with on-site consultation. This way, you can earn a client. So offer something unique, something beneficial that others are not offering, and that's the best way of doing competitive research. Then we have technical SEO. If we talk about website, your website might be lagging, it's slow, it's broken links, titles are missing, and it has some duplicate content and some duplicate broken links and a lot of different errors. You have to solve those. You can hire me or you can check any of the website checker tool to help you count all the errors that are there on your website. You have to solve them. This way you can rank higher in Google. Then you have to optimize your UX. For example, if someone visits your website and your website is very dull and boring, people won't buy from you. So you have to make sure that your website is very beautiful, user friendly and responsive. This way you can help get more conversions. Then you have to make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Some websites open well in computers and some open well in mobile smartphones. You have to make sure that your website is too much friendly that it opens in in any browser and people can interact with you easily. You can go to Google Search Console and check if your website is mobile friendly or not. Then you have to do on-page SEO. You have to check all the title, tags, descriptions, meta descriptions, and other stuff to make sure that your website has all the keywords that are required to rank higher in Google. Then we have content creation. As I have said earlier, that if you write an article on decoration and someone searches for decoration, it does not matter that where you are from. It will show to the people all around the world that are looking for decoration help. In result, you will earn a client. It may be from other city or other country, but in result, you are getting more revenue. Then you have backlinks. Do not buy bulk backlinks or from Fiverr freelancers or someone else because they are doing spams and this can harm your website permanently. Instead, go to the famous websites that are related to your industry, ask them about backlink and they will give you backlink. Sometimes they will sell you or sometimes you have to publish an article on their website, guest blog posting, and they can get you a backlink. So earn a backlink, do not buy those. Then we talk about Google My Business profile. It's most important and necessary for a Google My Business profile to be optimized. You should have a profile picture, you should have a cover image, you should have keyword in your title, you should have all the categories that are related to your floral business. Then you have the perfect meta description with all the questions and keywords that people are asking. Then you have completely optimized and verified listing on your Google My Business profile. Also, you can link your social media, you can link your services, you can paste your mobile phone number, website, and other details and ask people for reviews. And this way, you can rank higher in Google. Next, we have to make sure that you are treating your customers in a right way. Offer your customers 10% discount if they post a review on your Google My Business profile. This way they will post more reviews on your Google My Business profile and you will rank higher. Then you have to make sure that your website is providing conversions. You have to make sure that your conversions are perfectly happening on your Google My Business profile and website. You have to make sure that your phone number is visible on Google My Business profile and website. You have to make sure that your email is visible. You have to make sure that your contact information is visible. You have to make sure that your contact us button, form and WhatsApp button is there so that people can help you. This way you can get more conversions. Additionally, a landing page will be beneficial if you place it on your website. So there's a short detail on how to do SEO. If you need any help, I'll be there to help you. Don't forget to comment there, like this video and share. Follow for more videos.